Are you passionate about health, fitness, or helping people transform their lifestyle? Are you looking for a business that has massive demand, low startup cost, and global earning potential, especially in the USA, Canada, Australia, and the UK? Then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to start a fitness and wellness coaching business, step by step, even if you are just getting started. If you want real, profitable business ideas that anyone can start, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, let's begin. The fitness and wellness industry is exploding. Here's why. More people want to lose weight, build strength, reduce stress, and live longer. Developed countries have busy lifestyles, higher stress levels, and rising health awareness. That's why demand for fitness coaches, wellness mentors, and lifestyle trainers is increasing every year. And the best part is, you can coach online or offline from anywhere in the world. You can offer fitness coaching, weight loss coaching, mindset and habit coaching, yoga or meditation guidance, meal planning and nutrition tips, personal workout programs. Offer one-on-one coaching, group coaching, home sessions, or online video sessions through Zoom. Choose your niche. Examples: weight loss for women, strength training for men, busy professionals fitness, home workout coaching, yoga and meditation, post-pregnancy fitness. A clear niche helps you stand out in the market. You don't need a college degree, but a basic certification can help with credibility. You can get certified from NASM, ACE, ISSA, or other recognized programs. A certificate builds trust and attracts better clients. Create a simple brand name. Set up a Facebook page, an Instagram account, a YouTube channel, and optionally a website or landing page. Share fitness tips, workouts, and client results to build local and online trust. Charge based on your model. One-on-one session, $30 to $120 per hour. Weekly coaching package, $100 to $300. Monthly coaching package, $200 to $800. Subscription packages give you recurring income month after month. Your first clients will come from Instagram and TikTok, Facebook groups, local gyms, YouTube content, referrals from friends and family. Post videos and transformation stories. Show your knowledge. Clients follow those who inspire. Motivate your clients consistently. If you change their life, they will stay with you and recommend you to others. Once you have 5 to 10 active clients, create digital products like workout programs, meal plans, fitness challenges, and online courses. This helps you earn passive income and reach more people globally. Canva for posts, Zoom for coaching calls, Google Sheets for progress tracking, PayPal or Stripe for payments, and Trello for client management. A beginner coach can earn $1,500 to $4,000 per month. A full-time coach can earn $5,000 to $15,000 plus per month. With digital products, income can scale even higher. And that is your complete guide to starting a fitness and wellness coaching business. The demand is massive, the opportunity is real, and you can start from anywhere. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your country below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.